Hi everyone, my name is Chen Zhang, otherwise known as Janice. I studied Engineering Management at Leeds. During my online degree, I was based in South Africa, Johannesburg, and a lot of the times I was also on site in different African countries because of work. Doing work alongside my studies was really fun and very difficult as well because I work sometimes in remote areas in Africa and we do not have internet. So therefore I had to sort of download all the course documents and study material first, and then while I'm on site, I have to try access that on my computer and study. I read into the university and I found like this is the sort of university I wanted to study at. It has a very long history. It is well known for its engineering courses as well. And then I looked to see what sort of the module would offer, the flexibility, and it was very flexible. I was able to study wherever I was. So throughout my studies, I received a lot of support from application period where I sort of sent an email and be like, this is what I'm interested in, can you please send me more information? And then immediately within a day or two, I got an email response and I had someone organize a call to speak to me about the degree that I was interested in. From then, my application process was also very streamlined. Then all of a sudden, before I knew it, I was accepted for the degree. So I emailed Mickey, my student advisor, to ask him if he's able to help me sign in for my first module because I wasn't able to sign in and pay. And he very quickly just called me and told me, no, Janice, you're actually using the wrong email sign in. You need to use your personal email. That's how you get to all your modules. So he helped me there. And also during times where I was unable to hand in my assignments on time, then he would immediately respond and help me. That I appreciate. First of all, don't leave your assignment to the last minute. Always attend classes and participate, and also just have fun. I think the most important thing is have fun, enjoy the course, because when you are enjoying it, it's not really studying and it's not really work. I would recommend Leeds for online studies to other people just because that everyone is very helpful. It's a very flexible course and the course material covers very broad topics which are very interesting and very relevant as well to what we are doing today.